Greetings, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 2, subject General Science, chapter 7, Our Body, part 3. In part 1 and part 2 of this lesson, what did we learn, children? We learned about what are the different types of organs. What are organs? It is the part of our body. Depending upon if it is present inside or outside, it is called internal organs or the external organs. The organs which are outside are called external organs. The organ part which we cannot see are the internal organs. Then we learned what important different internal organs are. That is the brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Today we are going to learn what are the important internal tissues. Okay, internal tissues means tissues usually means it is a group of cell. Cell means it is the smallest unit of our body. Okay, our body is made up of millions of cells, and those few cells together make a tissue. Okay, so we are going to learn what are the important tissues. So today we are going to learn what are the different important tissues. What are the important tissues that we are going to learn today? Nerves, blood, muscles and bones. Okay, NERVES, nerves, BLOOD, blood, MUSCLES, muscles, BONES, bones. These are all present inside our body, children, not outside. It is present inside our body, and these are the tissues. The last class you learned about internal organs. Today you are going to learn about important tissues. Okay, nerves, blood, muscles and bones. So let's begin with nerves. Nerves means, now what happens, I would like to give you one small example. If when you touch something hot, a hot milk glass or anything that is hot, as soon as you touch it, you withdraw your hand backwards, right? You just can't hold the hot objects for a long time. That happens because of our nerves only. Nerves are like the wire connections in our body. How we have electric wire connections, switches in our house, like that the wire connection in our body are called the nerves. Nerves help us to feel and react. Okay, if you touch something hot or cold, you pull back your hand. Suddenly you pull back your hand. Okay, if you're touching fire, a candle, lamp, or if you're touching anything hot, you'll pull back your hand. That happens because of the nerves only. Nerves sends messages to and from the brain to all the body parts. Here you can see the picture of the nerves. Okay, it is if all the nerves, there are nerves throughout our body, and it is connected to one main organ, that is our brain. Whatever you see, you smell, whatever senses you feel, it the message goes to the brain, and the brain tells you what to do and what to watch, what to see. Understood? So that work is done by the nerves. It is like the connection. How you have cable wires, same way the wires in our body are called the nerves. Next tissue is the blood. Blood tissues means it's a group of cells, children. Okay, blood transports oxygen and food to all parts of our body. Blood is very, very important in our body. Now, if you cut any part of your body, the blood oozes out. Okay, the blood oozes out from your body. If you fall down, if you hurt yourself, the first thing that happens is the blood oozes out. Okay, it is present inside our body everywhere, even in the tip of your toe it is present, even in the in your head also it is present. So blood transports oxygen and food to all parts of our body. The food that we eat, okay, in our digestive system, what happens, all that food gets digested and all the nutrients gets inside the blood, and this blood carries the nutrients to all parts of the body. Same thing with the oxygen also. The oxygen that we breathe in is taken by the blood in the lungs. It is taken by the blood, and it takes it to all parts of our body. Okay, So whenever you get hurt, the red color it comes out, no, that is only blood. Then the next important tissue is the muscles. muscles, muscles. Muscles are tissues. They help our body to move and to do work. Now I would like to tell you one thing. Hold your hand and just try to feel your hand, the whole hand, children, not only your fingers, your hand. From your right hand, feel your left hand. You can feel the muscles in your body, right? Some muscles are attached to the bone and helps the bone to move. These muscles, no, they help for the proper movement of our body, children. Okay, here you can see this man has built up a lot of muscles. Okay, like that we will also have a lot of muscles in our body. Okay, so that muscles, it helps our body. If we have only bones, okay, the last tissue is the bones. If we have only bones in our body, it becomes difficult for our body to move. So we have muscles. Okay, these muscles gives us strength to work. To when you have to lift something with your hand, these muscles only help you to lift something. Understood? Muscles are present throughout our body. Then the last tissue, bones. Bones give shape and support to our body. It gives shape and support to our body. If we are able to sit straight or walk properly, if we didn't have bones, we would look like a jelly. You all know jelly, right? We would look like that, because that is why bone gives us shape and support to our body. They protect our internal organs. Now if you hit on your head and see, you can feel the hard skeleton, right? That skeleton is nothing but your bones. Okay, our skull protects the brain inside. Brain is very important to us, no, like that. It protects all the internal organs in our body. Bones help us to move. The bones form a structure called skeleton. All the bones in our body, like this, all the bones in our body form the structure called skeleton. Whenever you see skeleton, don't get scared, children. This is nothing but the body part. This is the tissue that is present inside our body, which protects all the internal organs of our body. You understood? There are some parts where the bones are not present. That is, the tongue, eyelid, and lower part of the earlobe do not have bones. Even though they don't have bones, they still move. You can still move your eyelids. If you open your eyes, close your eyes, you're moving your eyelids. You can touch your earlobes. Then your tongue also does not have any bones, but you can talk with it, and you can taste with it, everything, right? So that is about the bones. They are present all over your body. It protects your internal organ. The last part of this lesson, our body, is posture. What is a posture, children? Posture is the way we sit, stand, or walk. Okay, it is the way that we sit, stand, or walk. Understood? While walking, sitting, standing, or playing, we need to have a proper posture. Okay, now in the first picture, you can see that how you have to sit and how you should not sit. And the second picture is for standing, how you have to stand and you should not stand. Third picture, you should not lean front, you should not lean backward when you're walking. You should walk straight. That is what these postures mean. Postures means you have to keep your body in the good position. Always walk, sit, or stand with your back upright. Backside, your backbone should be upright. Shoulders straight and head high. Okay, your head should look straight up. Don't look down, don't look too up. Should look held high. Good posture is important because it creates less stress or pressure on our muscles and bones. Good posture helps our body to function properly. For our body to function properly, we should always sit properly, stand properly, walk properly, and sleep. Sleeping position also is important, children. You should not sleep in a very wrong posture. You should always sleep in a proper posture, so it gives strength to your backbone and there will be no pressure on your muscles and bones. Now, I hope you have understood the lesson. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, keep learning, children. I request you to do the exercises. We have already finished 7 chapters. Do the exercises in your textbook, do the exercises in your workbook also. If you're not finding the answers, take the help of your parents. Thank you, children.